So we have $515. Fine. So we have $689 on the account. Well, it's done. We have $1,057 on the account. Hi guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, I'm going to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay, my friends, so what do we have for today? First of all, I'm trading on one of the best trading platforms ever, named Pocket Option. Now I'm setting the chart and I'm choosing the indicators for today's trading session. Let me do this, please. Let's choose the indicator. The first one will be Williams Oscillator together with Donchian Channels and Fractal. Let's also add Supertrend. Okay, so now let me set the Donchian Channels indicator first. It's fine. Now Supertrend. Let's change the ATR period, it will be 12. Okay, let's save it. Let's also set the Williams, the period will be 12. Let's change the colors. Let's save it. Fine. So now we are ready to start our trading session for today. And let's open the first position. According to the current movement, you can clearly see that we're moving in the flat channel. Let us change our investment to $90. And we have open sell position right now, first of all, because according to the Supertrend indicator, we have a sell signal. According to the Williams, price is almost overbought, and we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction right now, which will be at least downgoing correction. And according to the Donchian Channels, we're hitting the upper edge of the Donchian Channel indicator right now, which acts like the resistance line zone, so we're highly likely to drop. So that's why $90 is invested in the sell position, and we're expecting a potential huge drop. The first trade was lost, unfortunately. We have $45 remaining. On the account, that's fine. Let's continue. We need to recover it. We lost $90, but we still have 45. Okay, let's check out this CD once again. Let's try to open one more sell position because I'm sure like 100% that we're highly likely to drop. Everything is telling me about this. According to the must bounce strategy, we're highly likely to drop because we have hit the resistance line zone like 4 times and now we're dropping. What else? Yep, we're going fully all in because it's just like $0 left on the account. All is invested. So let's see, guys. Let's see what will we get. We need to recover it. We need to recover. Fine, guys. So we did it. We did it, my friends. This trade was closed with profit. We have $86. But still, that's nothing because in the beginning we have 135. We need to recover the loss. Let me please check AUD CHF currency pair, whether we have something interesting here. Okay, according to this trade, we're moving in a slight upgoing channel. Let me draw for you this channel. First of all, let's change our investment from $45 to $86. Let's once again go all in because we need to recover the loss. We have nothing to lose. Okay, so we have opened buy position here. You can clearly see that price is now staying on the middle line of the Donchian Channel, and I think we're highly likely to break trade. Moreover, according to the Supertrend, we're strictly in the buy zone, and we're highly likely to continue growing right now. Oh my God, don't tell me that we're going to lose all my money because this looks really weird, guys. This looks really weird. No. Please grow. I just beg you, grow. It's a very risky trade, my friends. We have almost shown the bullish consumption. Yes! Oh my God, yes, we did it. We almost lost all of our deposit. Fine, so we have $165 on the account. This looks really good. Let's continue, my friends, let's continue. Let's check AUD CHF currency pair. So here we're staying on the bottom line of the flat channel right now. There are two options. The first one, we break it through roughly, penetrate it roughly. This bottom line, and if we succeed, we will continue dropping like non-stop. But also, we're highly likely to receive pullback reaction from the zone. Let me draw for you the support line zone, please. So you can see Uh-huh. It looks like we are almost ready to break through it. Give me 1 second. Let's change our investment to 100 and open this sell position, because yes, we have broken through it. We have done it finally. So we are ready to drop right now more and more. Fine. So we have $257 on the account, and this is really good. Finally, we are in the profit. We not only have recovered our loss, but we're also in the profit. Right now we have $257. By the way, my friends, while you're watching this video, don't forget to open description to it and subscribe to my private PG, in which you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions. So don't waste your time. Do this right now. Be with me and get what is yours. Link in the description. Okay, my friends, while I was talking, I have already opened one more buy position according to the must-bounce strategy, because as you can see, price is now staying on the bottom line of the Donchian Channel indicator. This bottom line is also a support line zone, so that's why we're highly likely to receive pullback reaction from this line and start growing. So that's it. Let us see whether I was right. I'm sure I was. So let's just see what will happen right now, okay? Fine, so we have $386 on the account right now. Let's check CAD, CHF currency pair. You can clearly see that price is moving in a very sharp upgoing channel, Now we're hitting the bottom line of this upgoing channel. So that's why from here, we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction. Let's open buy position. It's opened. We have $246 right now. Fine, so we have $515. This trade was also profitable. So my friends, we have enough time to open, to make at least 2 trades. We need to make more money. Let me check CAD GPI currency pair. Okay, so here we are moving in a flat channel. Now we're hitting the upper edge of this flat channel. We started receiving the pullback reaction from it. Price is dropping. As you can see, we're still in the buy zone. But I prefer to open sell position, because according to the technical analysis and movements that we have right now, we have formed the double high candle pattern, and after this we are ready to go lower. So we have made the new local minimum, new local low, and after this we are ready to go lower towards the bottom line of this Donchian channel. Fine, so we have $689 on the account. This is really good. This is really nice, guys. Okay, so here we started receiving a very good upgoing correction. Now we're hitting the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands indicator. Let me please change our investment to $400 and open sell position. Sell position is opened. We have invested $400. We still have like $289 left in the account. Well, it's done. We have $1,057 on the account. This was an amazing trading session. We have multiplied our balance 10 times more within just 10 minutes, my friends. If you want to have the same kind of results as me, you can easily do this by joining my VIP channel, link for which you can find in the description to this video. So don't waste your time. Do this right now and be with me. See you all, and bye-bye.